direction, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these.
What is up, you guys? It's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So y'all are seeing me at my absolute worst right now. But I want to show you guys how I do a top knot bun on my half wigs or my lace wigs, because I get people asking me all the time how to do it. And I have old videos, but I haven't done I have a new technique now that with the way that I do it. So I decided to just go ahead and just do this. So let me make sure my camera is good. So my hair hasn't been washed in like 3-4 weeks. I've just like I haven't used any shampoo is what I mean. Like I'll get in the shower, rinse out product, and you know, deep condition, and then I'll do the lock method when I get out, but I haven't actually used shampoo. And it's been a while since I've done that, like at least 2 weeks. So I have a lot of product build up in my hair. Well, gel like on my edges, because I like my edges laid. And my hairline is definitely off, as y'all can see. Something that I've always dealt with. But you know what, it is what it is. So the hair I'm going to be using is also one of my favorite half wigs. It is the Outre Peruvian. This is the lace front wig though. Outre Peruvian. This is DRB 30. So it has this really pretty 30 color. The wig is a lot longer than this, but I had cut it. Probably shouldn't have. But I've had this wig for, I bought this wig last year. Like, I don't remember when. But I bought it last year. I wear it every now and then. But it's such a pretty color, as you guys can see. And if you're an OG subscriber, you know I love the color 30. It's like one of my most favorite colors to wear. So first of all, you're just gonna have to make sure that your hair is parted the way that you want it to be parted. Let me I feel like my parting is not okay. I guess it's okay. So you just want to make sure your hair is parted how you want it to be parted. I just got my hair bobby pinned to the back. I don't have my wig grip or nothing on because you don't really need it with this. So this is the lace front wigs. As you guys see, here's the parting, but none of that will matter. You won't be able to see any of that like once I do this. So what you want to do is put the wig right at the half mark. This wig does have combs. Well, let me see. It has a comb right here in the front, just one, but it's okay because you can bobby pin this down. So I'm gonna put this in my hairline right there, and then there's a comb in the back of the wig, so then you can just put that in your hairline as well. So this is what it looks like. And then when you use a lace wig, it actually looks more natural, because if you pull this back, it like, you know, you'll still be able to see the line. But with this being a lace wig though, the wig isn't gonna feel so secure, because this wig is meant to be over your entire head, not just half of your head. So if you're using a full lace, not a full lace, but if you're using a lace front wig like I am, you're gonna definitely need some bobby pins. So I'm gonna start pinning this wig wherever you feel it needs to be pinned. I would do one right here on the side. Like I said, this would work. It would be more secure with a half wig, because a half wig is meant to be halfway on your head. So now you want to do is, woo. Well, first I need to take this rubber band off. So I already wet the front of my hair, but this would be the time where you want to add like your Eco Styler gel and stuff. Now I know Eco Styler gel is technically canceled right now, but I got like a corner of it left. And then I also bought this Eco Natural cocktail. I've never used this before, but it says it's a soft define hold. It says for all hair types, and it's supposed to be the natural version. I don't know if this is any better, even though Eco Styler clapped back saying that their products do not cause cancer. So, you know, we'll never really know, I guess, because no company's gonna outright admit that. But I love Eco Styler gel, so I'm really conflicted on it, because I haven't yet to find a great gel like Eco Styler. And this is what I have left of the Eco Styler black castor and flaxseed oil gel, because y'all already know, like, this was my favorite gel. Like, this is the only gel that I really use, and I love it. So you're gonna go ahead and add your gels or whatever, If you're seeing a bunch of white stuff in my hair, don't worry. Like, if you use gel, you already know what it does. Like, it's gonna look like that at first. There's nothing you can do. Like, when it dries, it won't be like that. So I'm just gonna add the Eco Styler, and I am washing my hair tonight, so I don't mind slapping on the product because it's gonna be washed later anyways. So right now we're just slicking up the hair. You know what? Right now our main goal is just to slick up your hair. Like, we're not going to worry about laying edges or nothing yet. Like, you just want to get this sleek at this point. That is your goal right now. Okay, then I'm going to tighten it so that's what it looks like. And make sure it's not too tight, because you don't want to be too rough on your edges and stuff. Like, that's a no-no. And you can do some more slicking up if you want, even though most of what I'm slicking up is just going to be laid right back down once I do my edges. So now you can go ahead and just take the hair that's left and do a simple plait. So once you have your hair plaited, you just want to kind of like wrap it and then bobby pin it down, because then you're going to take the hair from the ponytail, well, from the wig, and you can either like twist it and wrap it, because you want to wrap it around your little ponytail that you created. And you want to make sure the bobby pins are not poking your scalp, because you will have a headache later. Put this down a little bit. Kind of want it to be a little taller. This is how it looks. Like I said, this wig is old, so it's not looking how I did when I first got it. But you guys basically get the gist of how it works. Like, now you have a perfect little top knot. And then you can continue to secure the wig in whatever ways you see fit. Like, I see that I can put a bobby pin there, obviously, because this one just slipped out. Super quick, easy style that anybody can do, honestly. Like, you literally don't need to know how to do hair to do this. And then from here you can go ahead and like lay your edges. What I like to do is put a little bit of got-to-be glue and a little bit of the Jamaican black castor oil, like on the end of my rat tail comb. I like to mix the two, and then I'll just smooth it on my edges. See what I'm doing. Done. So then my edges, I'm gonna let my edges dry, and then I'd be done, and it is good to go. So you guys, that is how I get my top knot buns. Super easy, super cute, super quick. Well, this video wasn't really that quick. I do apologize about that because I had some technical difficulties, but this is how it looks. My edges are still drying, so it's okay. I love top knot buns. You just truly cannot go wrong with them. So if you like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. So don't forget to check out my blog, which is www.jerikasincere.com. And don't forget to check out my travel website if you're a woman and you want to become a travel agent and you want to join our travel squad of women who travel the world, then you're more than welcome to join our squad, and we can teach you how to be a travel agent and how you can make money being a travel agent. That is www.sisterhoodtravel.info. But I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.